Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Only Carrot show here on YouTube. I'm Leah and today we're going to be making a delicious vegan vanilla ice cream recipe, and best of all, it's based on bananas. All right, let's get started. All right, to begin with guys, you're going to need a Thermomix or a strong blender or food processor. This happens to be my only blender, so that's what I'm using for today. So to start off with, pretty easy, we're going to fill it up with some frozen bananas, but make sure they have been peeled first. I made the very amateur mistake back in the day of putting bananas straight into the freezer with the skins on, and boy, are they hard to get off once they're frozen, so don't do that. All right, so just gonna fill it up with lots of bananas, and one of the things I love about bananas is the fact that they are so versatile. You can have bananas mashed up in your pancakes, you can have banana cake, or you can have bananas deep fried in a fritter, even just sliced up raw on toast with peanut butter and rice malt or honey if you're a vegan, or even just straight on your cereal or your muesli for your morning breakfast. But if you have them frozen, they add an amazing creaminess and they're just so delicious, and they add a natural sweetness as well to our ice cream. So I'm just going to keep adding these in until it's nice and full. I'll keep a tally at the bottom there so you know how many I'm putting in. But chunks about this size are usually good for most processors. Don't overdo it, otherwise it can sort of slow the process down a bit when you're trying to chug it down through your processor. Now we're going to add in a tablespoon of rapadura or brown sugar, and that's going to add a little extra sort of caramel sweetness to our ice cream. Because the bananas add the majority of the sweetness, you only have to have that little tiny bit of that flavoring added. And now our vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right, now we're going to add some vegan milk. I'm going to use soy milk because it's lovely and creamy and I love it in ice cream, but you can use coconut milk or almond milk if you prefer. Now I like to add this in until it's about 5 centimeters from the top, which is a couple of inches from the top of the bananas. If you put too much, it'll be too runny, and too little, it'll be a little, I find that bananas can get a little sticky and the flavor can be super strong. So I like to have, just a little more soy milk than that, but not so much that it's just a drink. All right, whoa. Okay, so now we're just gonna whiz that up, and it's just on a high speed in your processor or blender until it's nice and smooth. And in the Thermomix, it's speed 7.5 for about a minute, and use your spatula to encourage that blending. Okay, so our blending is complete. That is our beautiful vanilla ice cream. Now let's get this served out and give you an idea of the texture. If you like soft serve ice cream, this is for you. We have our amazing, look at that. Oh, yummy. That is beautiful. If you prefer it to be scoopable, you can just put this into a container, into a freezer-proof container with a lid, leave it till it's hard, and then leave it out on the bench maybe for 5-10 minutes before you're ready to eat it, and then you can scoop it out and you get your lovely hard scooped ice cream. So we actually really love to eat it just like this. You can have it in a bowl, have it with some apple pie, or you can have it in a cup and add some nuts and fruit to it. And I'm just going to add a few little vegan hundreds and thousands on top here. And whoa, look at that. How cute. There is our beautiful vegan vanilla ice cream. I'll just have a little try. Let's see what we think. That is really good. I'm actually just going to sit down now and enjoy this for my dinner. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe today, guys. Make sure to let me know if you enjoy vegan vanilla ice cream as much as I do, and what you would like to have yours with. If you haven't already, grab a copy of my cookbook, and also check out the affiliate link in the description below for the swag bag. All right, we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.